I am feeling so excited today because I have here my very first Series 3 Sticki Rolls pack. This pack comes with the Series 3 sticker book as well as a bracelet and 7 mystery Sticki Rolls. I am also excited because Sticki Rolls Saturdays are back. Every Saturday in August I am going to be unboxing a Series 3 Sticki Rolls product. So let's get straight into today's episode with the Sticki book pack. I'm so excited to meet all the new Series 3 characters. I can already see one on the front of the Sticki book. We can see a bunch of new and old Sticki characters on the back here. Collector's manual below. You know I'm excited to see this. Doesn't get more exciting than this. Okay, let's pick one roll from each section that I'm excited to open. Froggy Sunday from the life section. Personality passports. It's got a sloth there that says license to chill. In the Fantastics, we've got some more Boo Boo stickies. Small steps, big squeaks from the pet section. All these BFF stickies look amazing. I think I'm gonna pick Paws on the Pitch as the one I'm most excited for. Oh, I can't decide if I'm more excited for C-list celebrities or Shark of all trades. Creature Couture, that looks awesome. Oh my gosh, bee behaviors, that looks adorable. There's a new category called Sticky Fluffs, and it looks like it's Sticki Roll characters cosplaying as other characters. Then we've got snacks. I'm very excited for Tea Time Cuties. Oh, and sporty snacks. There's a donut doing ballet. Then from the safari section, Acorn Apocalypse. We have a plant section. I'm choosing funky flowers. That looks cute. And then these are called Sticki Mates exclusives. And the Sticki Mates are these things. They're these little figures that can hold your Sticki Rolls. All right, with all that excitement, let's now look at the Series 3 Sticki book. What a beautiful book. Pink cover. Lots of adorable characters on the front. Opening it up for the very first time. The whole theme of this book is blue and pink. And the first page of the book is Fantastics. Let's have a flick through to see some of the other categories we have. All these pages so far are categories that we could see in the catalogue. Next, we've got pages for the different rarities of stickies you can get. Oh, this is cute. Cozy and comfy. Spooky cute. Main character energy. Oh my goodness, such awesome new categories. Big moods, chill vibes only, silly goofs, chaos cuties, sweet treats, snack attack. These names are so good. Sticky Mates match. Oh, lots and lots of pages for the Sticky Mates ones. And then we hit some choice pages. Besties, birthday party, my style. Oh, I'm excited to do this page. Most favorite, mood match. And the last page is Chef's Choice. I must say, that is a very stylish shark over there. I wasn't even looking at all the characters over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So many new and returning characters. I could not be more excited right now. Let's not waste another moment before getting into the Sticki Bracelet. It's got 5 of the new Series 3 Sticki Rolls. And it has Slow-Mo the Sloth on the charm. Now we also have 7 mystery rolls in here. They come in this cute little blue container. I'm going to put them just here. And let's open up our first Series 3 roll. I'd like to start with this one that's called Pastel Postage. So these stickies all look like stamps. They have cute illustrations of different animals sending mail. Now, just so I don't get all these stickers tangled, I'm gonna open up to the first blank page of the Sticki book. Oh my gosh, you see, this is what I was talking about. And before any more chaos can unfold, I'm gonna stick them all to this first page. Then we can appreciate them all together. And because this is a Sticki book, you can very easily peel them off so they can just all live on here until I decide another home for them. The first thing I like to do is look through all the pages and see if I can find pastel postage anywhere. The first one is on the notes page, and it wants this cute little bunny to be the first official Sticki with a home. Just about 500 more and we'll be complete the Sticki book. How about we just try finding the second pastel postage Sticki first? Oh, there we go. It's on cozy and comfy. Let's peel off this Sticki and stick it onto this page. How cute is that? It's a little cat taking a nap that says nap time mail. Now in series 2, there were exactly 2 Stickis from every roll in the book. I'm gonna guess that's gonna be the same for series 3, but I'll just double check all the pages just in case. Alright, so like I thought, there's only 2 in the collections pages, but I'd like to pick one to go on the choice pages. Let's pick one for mood match. I think I'm gonna go with this one here that says strange seal because the bear looks very curious and excited to find out what is in the letter, and that matches my mood of being excited and curious to find out what is in all these series 3 Stickis. Let's find out what's in the second roll, UFO girls. Ooh, so we've got some very alien looking girls here. I think my favorite one is this one inside a teacup here. I think all of them look like they would belong on a creepies page. But if we take a look at the creepies page, there are no UFO girls. Where else could they be? Oh, space explorers. That's the perfect page for a UFO girl. And the other spot we need a UFO girl is on the iconic Stickies page with this donut girl. Okay, moving on to our third roll of the day. It is Star Meow's Star Power. I'm very curious what will be in this one. So it looks like we have a cat who's a pop star maybe? Okay, we've got a whole lot of different creatures that are enjoying music. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, look at those 2 BFFs. I would go to their concert. I definitely want to stick that one in my choice pages down the back, but first I have to check, is it going to be needed on any of these pages? Oh, it is actually needed on the BFFs page. This is why I always check the collection pages first. Let's see which other Sticki is needed for our collection pages. Oh, it's this little guy. I was thinking of him for a choice page too, but no. He belongs on the Future Stars page. I mean, I can't argue with that. He is clearly a future star. So with the collection pages done, I'm going to take this little cutie who says music is life, and she can play the music at my next birthday party. Moving on to Sticki roll number 4. It is Bento Boxies. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Look at that frog. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I just noticed. Is that like a spaghetti squirrel? Because it's a fur. Looks like it's made out of spaghetti. I mean, that's definitely a sushi bunny. Okay, time to find where they belong. The frog is needed on the Cafe Cuties page. I've just noticed there's a little beetroot with eyes in the background. It reminds me of my beetroot squishmallow. Oh, here we go. The first Sticki for the Cat Chaos page is this cute cat who's reaching out for a star. That brings us to our final roll on the bracelet. Now you can see here, all the rolls that we've opened so far have been pink, which means they are the common rolls, but this roll is actually a blue one, which means it's a rare roll. And that means it's going to have a different holographic pattern for us to look at. Oh my gosh, it's like pixel art. Look at all these little pixels. Oh, it looks so cool in the background. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is my favorite roll so far. It's so cute and so many of the Stickis are so funny. Like the sloth on the treadmill is already tired and the sloth saying to the snail, not too fast. Then over here, we've got keep calm and sloth on, and his mug says still sleepy. Okay, so I've got to remember to stick one of these sloths on the sloth charm. I also want to stick some of these on the choice pages, but like we learned earlier, we have to check all the collection pages first. Okay, main character energy for super slow-mo. And then the treadmill one definitely deserves a place on the iconic stickies page. Now let's go back to all of these sloths. I want to take the not too fast sticky as one of my favorite stickies. I'm putting it on this choice page that's called most favorite, and then I'm going to take this cute snoozy sloth and put him on the charm of my bracelet. Now we have a double sloth bracelet. So that is all our rolls on the bracelet finished. Now we get to open up these mystery rolls so we can actually see the colors of the rolls we're getting, and it's very exciting. We can see we've got 3 pink, 2 blue, 1 purple, and 1 clear. That means we've got 3 common, 2 rare, 1 super rare, and 1 ultra rare. That is so exciting. I'm going to start at the most common ones and work my way up. The first mystery roll is called Big Yikes. And by the look of this guy, it's going to be a funny one. Oh no, I don't know if I'd call this funny or sad. It's got lots of sad situations, but his expression just makes it so funny. I've got a feeling he might be on the big moods page. I am correct, there he is. This is probably actually the happiest sticker of the lot, because he's just really excited about his drink. Okay, Big Yikes sticky number 2 is on Chaos Cuties. That's another perfect page for these stickies. This one is chaotic because he's having some noodles, but they seem to be way too hot. Our next common sticky roll is called Quokka Wokka. I'm gonna guess this roll has a quokka on it. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting it to be so cute. Just look how adorable this new character is. He's using a leaf as a guitar. He's playing with butterflies. Oh, he looks so cozy in these two. I bet one of those is needed on the cozy page. Cozy and comfy, yes! Our quokka is laying in a field of flowers, so beautiful. Then I'm not sure where the second one will be needed. Oh, there we go. He's a forest friend. He's just playing leaf tunes for all his forest friends. Then that's all the collection pages for our quokka. But I want to take this one here of him dancing in a party hat and put it on the birthday page because he's definitely invited to my birthday. Then we're going to look at the last common roll of today. It's called Gilly Sweets. Oh, I think this was the new character on the front of the sticky book. There we go, that's him. So it looks like Gilly Sweets is a sugar glider who loves sweets. I'm guessing he's going to be needed on some of the food-related pages. Not on the snacks page. What about sweet treats? Nope. Maybe snack attack? Also no. He's not even on Smiley Snacks. Gilly, where on earth are you? Okay, finally found one. He's actually on the Safari page. And then the second page is the Silly Goofs page. Okay, now we get to open up another one of the rare sticky rolls. Oh my goodness! I was not expecting this today. It's actually funky flowers. That was one of the ones I said at the start I really wanted. Let's take a look at just how funky these flowers are. Oh, they are the funkiest. They also have that beautiful pixel holographic. I especially love these two down here wearing sunglasses. Let's check some plant-related pages. There we go. That was an excellent first guess for the Flower Power Sticky. Then the second one is Chill Vibes Only, and it's the flower holding up a peace sign. I love that so much. And then because I love these sunglasses ones so much, I'm going to take the sunglasses one who is dancing and put that on my favorites choice page down at the back. I don't think there's going to be enough room for all my favorites. I might have to stick them here too. Okay, on to the second rare roll. It is called After School Avengers. We first have a rat who is studying by day, and then she is a magical girl making justice after school. Oh, I thought it was going to be all about her, but we've got a bunny who is late to school, but she's on time to fight evil. Our next character is a dog who is running with the wind and fighting with her heart. Then we have a purple cat who says, I sparkle and I slay. And oh my goodness, I thought it was going to be a last character, but it's actually all of them together. That is the cutest thing ever. Look at them all in their school uniforms and then their magical girl outfits. I want to stick that on my favorites page as well, but gotta check these pages first. Oh, that sticker is actually needed for the adventure cruise spot. Then the second one, oh, of course it's going to be on the fantasy fairy tale page. The dog who is fighting with her heart. Okay, we now have 2 Sticki Rolls left. First one I'm opening up is this purple one. So this is a super rare roll and it's called Boo Banners. If we take a look on the back of the sticky first, we can see the new holographic pattern. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Then flip it around and oh my goodness, look how detailed this art is. I think this is a new Sticki Rolls artist who does these really beautiful detailed drawings. They are all just stunning, aren't they? I think these might go on some of the creepies pages. Yes, there we go. This beautiful purple one is the first sticky on the creepies page. And now to find where the second one will be needed. Not on Spooky Cute. Not on Chaos Cuties. Oh, there we go, on Wild and Weirdies. That makes sense. Okay, it is now time for the last sticky roll of today. It is the ultra rare roll, and it is called Kitty Catropolis. Let's look at the ultra rare holographic pattern first. Oh, that's so cool! It says Sticki Rolls in a bunch of different holographic layers. All right, time to explore Catropolis. Oh my gosh, all the buildings are actually cats. I love how they have little hats and sunglasses on them. These cat houses are so cute. Okay, I reckon we're gonna need some of these for the cats pages. Cat Chaos? No, actually we don't. Turns out we actually need one for the ultra rare page. An angry skyscraper, or cat scraper, should I say. And then this is so funny. The cat cafe is needed on the Cafe Cuties page. Now, if I ever go to a cat cafe in real life, I'm gonna be disappointed if it doesn't look as cute as this. Well, that is all the Sticki Rolls open for today. Thank you so much for joining me for my first of many Series 3 Sticki Rolls videos. I will see you again next week with some more Series 3 Sticki Rolls. Bye!